Can you make a game in 7 hours? Let's find out. This is hour 2. Welcome to the devlog. Welcome to hour 2 of this game dev. Today, I have finished the project already and my files got corrupted, so I'm just doing voiceover now on the available footages of the gameplay after day 2. So, in the second hour, I have added the road areas and loads of buildings. So, I have actually given the walls to the office premise, and there would be an epic chase scene in here that the boss would find out that you have stolen all the important data that could frame the office. So basically your objective would be to get this to hand it to the police, or another choice would be just return to back home. So I'm going to make it so that the return back to home choice would be incorrect, and if you return back to home the boss would catch you, and he would kill you. Basically the game ends there, so you spawn back at here. And yeah, that's that. I don't know why the van is not spawning here, so to solve the problem, I did make a genius solution. But for now, let's just see that the van, instead of spawning up there, is spawning all the way down in here for some reason. I really tried to fix that, but I couldn't, so I just removed the parking lot and just made it so the cars are placed inside the office premises. The driving is really not smooth and this drifting noise sucks. So yes, I will make a new sound for this and make the driving less janky. But yeah, that's that. And there is no text developed, so the player doesn't really know what to do. I will also work on that. And the car is smaller than you, which doesn't really make sense. So I also have to work on the size of the car. There are lots of things to do, but yeah. So there are two choices, as you see. The straight choice is actually the wrong choice, and this choice actually leads to the police station, which I am yet to add. I don't think I can finish everything today, but yeah, by tomorrow the main chase scene will be done. That's the main part of the game, and in the day 4 maybe I can get work done on the entry scene, cutscenes and the lobby part, which I talked about. And that's that. It has really come a long way from a horror survival game. It's really not a horror survival game anymore. It's more like a story type game. Like you can compare this game to work done by Chila's art. Okay, so I've removed the driveway because it just didn't fit. So I just made it so that all the cars are parked in the office premises in the grass. The grass is so much bigger, and this is the code for anyone curious. This is the basically the code for the game card mechanism. So the card basically checks if you are nearby, then it camera looks at it, then it shows the text that you have to drive quickly, then it plays a sound, that's a chasing sound. Now there are some bugs that I'm showing, that the rocks are invisible and the walls are invisible for some time. For some reason I not sure why this is happening. I'll have to recheck later. Maybe it's some textural issues, I don't know. As you can see, lots of textures are just missing outright for some reason. I have to recheck on that part. It's very annoying. So many bugs. But that's the problems when you limit yourself in the game, because there are lots of problems in game making which you can't solve. So, okay, now the cutscene is working. And get on your car and drive away to safety. Okay, the text is also there. And after 30 seconds, the car should explode. And that's why you say I will add that timer thingy so that you know that you have to drive quickly, or your car will just explode with you on it. And yeah, I think the driving is much more smoother now. I have made it so that the car by default just drives straight unless you do something. Okay, that's not really good either, because the car drives always straight. You have to actually maneuver a lot more now because the road is very windy. Maybe I'll change the road a little bit because it's so much spinning now. And as you can see, there are two choices. Of course, as I said, the residential area I have added, but I don't have the footage to show you right now. So yeah, I think the car thing is very smooth, but the drifting noise is still very loud. It sounds like a baby crying, very annoying baby. And yeah, for some reason the text is back, which it shouldn't be. I don't know what to do. But yeah, I've added all the buildings so that it seems like you're moving through a city. I have added barriers, I have added water towers and bridge, tunnel and other things. There are still some bugs here and there. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. You know the usual things. I'll meet you in the next vlog. Thank you.